Konnichiwa, fellow eaters. Today we'll be eating meatball here on
FoodzFolkz.
Welcome to the show, folks. Here on FoodzFolkz, we help you find your food and remembering the good times that we ate them. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe to get more food, folks, and to help us grow as well. And today I'll be having the meatball sub from Subway, and it costs just specials on Sundays are usually for a 6-inch will be $3.99. So plus tax, it's $4.18 here in Hawaii. In any other days, you can still have this, but it won't be on special. You'll have to pay $5.25 plus tax. That's like $5.50. Yep. So Sunday special is the meatball, and here we go. So I usually rate these food reviews with mukbang and SMR, and also rating them out of 5 stars. And before I get into this, don't forget. I just want to say, don't forget to say grace before meals. I already did. We must not forget that all these gifts are from God, that He nourishes us all, and He gives us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. Amen. Whoa. So I got the Italian bread with everything this time. Yep, no jalapeños. I like jalapeños, but not for this. I can have it another day. On another food. But yeah. So yeah, I got all the vegetables except, like I said, the jalapeños. Okay, meatball is right there. I think I had like 4 or 5 pieces of meatballs. Yeah. Okay. Wow, this time the sauce didn't come out. So I added, what was that, American cheese and ranch dressing with it, with salt, vinegar, oil, and pepper. Yep, this is it right here. Meatball time, mukbang style. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Ooh, it's nice, colorful. Woo! I rate that sub a 4.5. Meatball was delicious. It was tasty. You could taste the salt. Tomato sauce came with it. Was good. It's like any other meatball you find in your spaghetti. The trick was to actually eat one bowl at a time, so you can just like take it in. If you try to like bite it in half, it would just be a mess. It was not too chewy. It wasn't hard. I toasted the Italian bread. It was toasty. I mean toasty. Sorry, it was crispy. Not too crispy though, so that it won't hurt my gums. The smell was good. Wasn't really a strong smell, but you could just smell everything that was inside that sandwich. You know, the vegetables, the bread, the meatball, salt and pepper. It wasn't too salty. There wasn't really a hint of sweetness to it. Wasn't spicy. Wasn't bitter. The cheese, I was like searching for it, the American cheese. I think the sauce, tomato sauce, was just overwhelming. Everything nice and moist. The texture with the bread going with the tomato sauce was a good combination. Was a little bit warm. It wasn't as hot when I first held it in my hand when I got it, but it was still good though. So yeah, that was my review, and I'm gonna put the price down as well on the description below, and maybe a little bit more of my review if I can think more of it. So thank you guys for watching, and for more Subway videos, here you go folks. And for other foods, you can check these ones out here as well. And don't forget, when you subscribe, you're also supporting all these folks who cooked, farmed, and prepared all these foods, folks.